Hello you guys, I hope it has been a relaxing morning or day or evening or afternoon or whatever time it is for you. I thought I would just grab a cup of coffee and do a little unboxing haul of a wonderful package from Style Korean because I know you guys love hauls and also K-beauty, so let's see what I get. So I feel like right now the companies that I have recommended in the past and sites that have a lot of J-beauty is finding it hard to ship worldwide at the moment. So I feel like K-beauty is a lot, I mean it always is a lot easier to get your hands on, I feel like, compared to Japanese beauty, but I feel like even more so now. Nicely packed up in bubble wrap. Gonna go through and see what we got here. Oh, okay, this one I've been wanting to try for literally the longest time. The Neogen Bio Peel Gauze Peeling Pad. So I got it in lemon because lemon was the one that was more for brightening and acne scars, and it's got vitamin C in it. I think I might love this because I am definitely more a fan of physical exfoliants at this point. I tried a couple chemical and honestly it didn't really work for me. This combines chemical and physical like together, so I'm super excited and hoping that I fall in love with these Neogen pads. I know I can't go wrong with this one, the Laneige Cica sleeping mask. I had used the original sleeping mask for ages. It was probably one of the first K-beauty products I ever used. It has been a long time since I used it, but I thought why not try the Cica version because you guys know I love Cica. I didn't say that right, but it is basically the Cica version of their sleeping mask, and I actually don't have any sleeping mask at the moment, and it is going into winter in Australia now and I am feeling a little bit drier these days, so it'd be really nice to have something to throw on top of my skincare. Cica sleeping mask with new and powerful forest yeast helps to strengthen the skin's moisture barrier for the sensitive and dry skin to make it appear healthy. I'm excited. I'm gonna say I'm excited so many times. Alright. Ooh. So this is the low pH PHA barrier mist from COSRX. Helps your skin maintain low pH level. It works as a shield, keeping prior skincare steps from evaporating and make your face moisturized, which I really like that concept. You can never have too many mists. I have one like, surely I have one, oh yeah, I was gonna say I have one, or I have two on my desk here. I have one on my bedside table, I have one at work, and they're just really quick and easy and keep you hydrated throughout the day, so I thought I would grab another mist. I also like this is like a super nice slim bottle and very aesthetic, like it's so pretty. Blue gradient bottle from COSRX. Ooh yes, I got a moonshot cushion because I have never actually tried any of Moonshot's products. This is the micro GlassyFit cushion. They had a few cushions on the site, but I went for this one because it was more like moisturizing and it's supposed to give you that like glass skin look. I did get it in the shade 201 Beige, and then this one I had never actually heard of it before, but it looked like it was quite popular and like on the Glow Pick Consumer Beauty Awards 2019 winner. So it is a brand called Frudia Blueberry Hydrating Honey Lip Balm. Moisturizing and exfoliating effect of honeyed blueberry. Ooh, I like that. Forms a honey juice barrier on chapped dry lips to softly exfoliate them and keep lips moisturized without greasiness. And it is such a cute little tub. I think it's actually really like decent size, and I think it was only like $4 or something, so super cheap. I hope it works out well, but honestly it looks like it would be a winner. What's next? Ooh, yes. I don't know how to say this. Real Elemental Practice. REP. Nourishing Cream. So I saw this. Oh, it's developed by Neogen. That makes sense. So I did not know that, but this one was featured in one of Eunice's posts and I saw it and I'm like, this looks pretty nice. I wish I could read all this. There's like all this cream that says packaging facts, yes, yes, and then formula facts, yes, yes, no, no, no. So I feel like it's like free from this and that and like uses recyclable packaging on all of that. Although it says formulated without 6 major parabens, alcohol, laurophenacin, sorbic acid, benzoic acid. Oh, recyclable paper and printed with soy ink. So this is quite a rich moisturizing cream. It has shea butter, rose hip oil, olive, jojoba and argan, kind of like a rich moisturizer for nighttime for winter. And it comes in this super cool pump bottle. Doesn't it look so fancy? I feel like it's one of those bubbles. One of those bottles that like pump down and like kind of get rid of the air so you don't lose any of the product. Helps skin drink deep to replenish lost moisture. Reinforces skin barrier for a complete look of dense, tightened facial contours. I can't really read. And then I got a couple of makeup items, which is exciting also. This is the Rom&nd Better Than Cheek blush. So I got this like corally peachy blush. First of all, the packaging is adorable and I do like the size. I hate it when blushes are too big because you never really go through it that much, but it's a really nice light peachy pink color, which I will definitely use. And I noticed something that Rom&nd do is they actually do have how many months to use it within. A lot of Korean brands do, but not all of them do. And then they come with a little sticker that you can actually like write what day it was opened, and then you stick it on your product so you know when it expires, which is so nice because it's so hard to keep track of products expiries. Like, I'm sure you guys have experienced it, but I like how they put in like a little sticker so you know when you opened it. And then this one, CANDYLAB Gleampop Glitter. I saw this on Insta and I was like, for someone who loves glitter, I feel like I have to try it. It is like a glitter eyeliner. They were out of one of the colors that I really wanted to try. I think it was the most popular one, but I will eventually get it. But this one's their more like pinky one, which I love pink anyway. Oh, I like how it's really liquidy and the brush is actually like quite thick. Whoa, I'm excited to try that. It's so cute too. Look at the packaging. It's like adorable little tube. Moving on down. Oh, this one, the Laneige Cream Skin Refiner. I feel like this is definitely a cult favorite. I've seen this everywhere but was yet to try it, so I definitely had to grab one. Leah, you actually recently mentioned it in a video and it like reassured my decision to grab this because she was saying it was one of the products that she wished she had the formulation of, being a product developer. So it is like a really nourishing, rich toner essentially, to the point that apparently you just like feel like you don't need moisturizer. So I am super excited for this and perfect for the dry winter seasons. The Dr.jart Ceramidin, I don't know how you say it, moisture retention shield. This one is also another one that is very famous. I thought I would grab something that helps kind of my skin barrier and something I can use when I'm feeling a little irritated or like I need something that is more protective and repairs my skin. I know this one has been a favorite for a lot of people, so that is the Dr.jart Ceramidin. And then the Ahhh Madecassoside Ampoule. So they have a full kind of centella range, and I know all of them have been really highly reviewed for their price. Like Ahhh is very affordable but very effective apparently. Nice cute little bottle. It is so cute. Concentrated serum for tired skin. Strengthens skin barrier by providing protective film to the skin. So it's got Madecassoside and Centella asiatica extract in that one too. So it's a nice little bottle. Pow! And then lastly, we cannot have a K-beauty haul without grabbing some sheet masks. So this is from Isntree, which I actually haven't tried any of their products quite yet. I got two different types. Ceramide Deep Moisture Cream Mask and then the Hyaluronic Acid Deep Moisture Water Mask. So as you can probably tell from the ingredient, the Ceramide one is more like nourishing, helps skin barrier, and it's really like a replenishing one. And then the Hyaluronic Acid is more about hydration and giving back water into the skin. So I thought I'd try a couple different ones out. I feel like I don't have that many Korean sheet masks currently. I do have more like Japanese ones, so I thought it'd be nice to grab a couple to have a little pamper night. But that's it, you guys. All the rest is a bubble wrap. That was so much fun. Let me know if there's any products that you are super curious about. I know when I posted on my Insta that I was getting this parcel, quite a few of you guys were like, I want to see this, I want to see that. I know like the Laneige cream skin was one of them and I'm super excited to try it out. But that was my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have not gone to this Dark Korean site before, I would definitely recommend checking it out. They have really good prices for a lot of K-beauty products, and they do ship worldwide and still are able to ship pretty quick and pretty well for the current situation. Definitely highly recommend to checking them out. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! chop it up and pow.